How to reset or recover Netflix account password. So if you want to reset or recover Netflix account password, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Netflix. Once you've searched, you can go for the first search, which is www.netflix.com. And now you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right. And once you go for the sign in page, now you have forgotten your password, right? So if you want to change your password or reset your account or password, then you can simply go for forgot password, which is on the middle of your screen. And now you can choose a path. So you can choose email or you can choose text message. So I'll be choosing email because that's what I have right now. So simply enter your email address and then click on email me. And here it says that an email with instructions on how to reset your password has been sent to your email. So you need to simply check your spam or junk folder if you don't see that email in your inbox. So simply open up your mail and here you will have your mail which says reset your password. Click on reset password. And once you click on that, it will take you to change your password option. So to reset your password, you need to enter your new password on these blanks. And once you enter your new passwords, if you want to sign out of all devices, then you can click on sign out and then click on save. But if you don't want to sign out, then unclick it and then click on save. And once you click on save, here it says that your password has been changed. So that's it. That's how you change your password or reset your password. And that's how you reset your password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.